Hey guys, it's Brad with Easy Tips and Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image for free online. So we're going to want to go to this website right here. I got the link in the description, remove.bg. You're going to pick an image to upload. You're going to upload an image, and it's going to automatically remove the background for you. And then all you have to do is download it. Comes down here as a PNG, and if you're creating a thumbnail for Canva or something, you can see if I go and I upload the image, I can drag it in here and it's got the background removed, so there's no white space or anything like that. Now if you have a photo, let's try this again with a different image. If you have a photo and say it doesn't turn out right, or say you see it here at the bottom, because of the snow in the image, it's kind of a little wacky, you can go to edit and erase or restore, and if we want to just cut this off like a straight line, we can click on the mouse button, use the cursor, and erase whatever we don't want. Okay, you can even make it like a curve. And change the brush size if you wanted it bigger. You can change the brush size. Say you made a mistake, oops, you can go up here to restore, and it'll restore wherever you made your mistake. And then once you're satisfied, you can click download image. It's going to download it on your computer. You go back to wherever you want to use it and you just upload it. And then you can drag it in here and use it. You see there's like a little white space right there because when I restored it, I didn't take my time and stuff, so I restored the white part actually too. But you just got to take your time and do that correctly if you don't want that there. If you're on Canva.com, which is a great website, they're going to try to get you to upgrade, background remover in one click with Canva Pro. Canva Pro is awesome to have, but you don't need it to remove the background. You just need to go to this website to do it, and then you can upload your images. So that's it for the video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, if it helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.